Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails and welcome to my channel. You guys, have got another watch me work for you, and I will be doing a square polygel set. Now these nails have been prepped, gone in with dehydrator, 2 coats of bond as well as a thin coat of Gershion's base coat, and now I'll be applying color number 17, which is a very soft pink with a pearlescent finish, onto the center of the nails. Now it is definitely worth mentioning that my brush is lightly coated with the Gershion base coat, and now I'm just working that product all the way up to the center of the cuticle, keeping it nice and flush as I'm moving along. And from there I will be moving from the center to the right side of the cuticle, then down to the right side wall to the free edge, and then doing the same on the left side of the nail. I do cure on low heat mode for a full 60 seconds, and I'm working from hand to hand. Now you guys have read the thumbnail and you know that this is going to be a would you rather video where I will be answering a series of questions, nail related questions, you guys, and letting you know what my preferences are and a little bit of backstory as to why. And I was sent this challenge months ago, the better part of 2021, by the lovely Nina, who is a really good nail sister of mine and also a huge supporter. So Nina girl, I'm sorry it's late, but here we go. The first question is, would you rather only use gel polish or nail polish? I feel like that's a given with my channel. Y'all ain't never seen me use nail polish out here, so I'm gonna go with gel polish for the win. Would you rather only use acrylic or polygel? Oh, see now, Nina, this is messed up, girl, because you know I'm loving all the products out here, but I will choose polygel because there's just a lot of wiggle room. I get to do a lot more, and the pressure is definitely off for sure. Would you rather only use a hand file or an e-file? Oh my gosh, do you guys remember as a beginner filing your life away with the hand files? So but even these days I love hand filing. So man, well, if I love polygel as what I'm using for the extension, I'm gonna go with hand file just to keep that control. It's super soft to file and I don't want to lose the structure that I built by filing it away with an e-file. All right, next question. Would you rather only use dry flowers or stickers? You know what? I'm not against stickers, but because I do a lot of hand drawn art, I will say flowers. Definitely flowers. And you know, when I get some stickers, maybe that's gonna change. Again, I'm pro whatever you need to do to make them nails beautiful. Okay, would you rather only use matte or glossy products? Oh, these questions are, I don't even know. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go with matte. I am gonna go with matte again because it has to do with the hand drawn art that I do. Everything just pops on some matte, you guys. Okay, would you rather only use glow in the dark or color changing polish? I'm gonna go glow in the dark. Yes, and I actually don't own any glow in the dark polish or products at all. I do love the effect, and even if I've never used them, I'm still pro that for sure. Color changing for me is a hit or a miss, especially with a lot of the polygel products that I've seen that are color changing. They just change from the one color to like a white, and that's no fun. Like, how about a purple turning into a pink, or like a green turning into blue? Like, yeah, polygel has not been all that great with color changing, so I will go with glow in the dark. Okay, what is up next? I feel, Nina, you were girl. This is the setup of all setups with these questions. Okay, all right, what's the next one? Would you rather only use, oh, sorry, I already read that one. Oh, snap, I'm getting off track. Would you rather lose your pinky or thumbnail? I'd rather not lose any nails, Nina. Girl, what are these questions? Okay, let's see. Okay, well, the thumb is needed for balance, I think. I'm not sure on that, don't quote me. But the pinky is the cutest finger, though. Oh my gosh, okay. pictures. Okay, Lisa, think pictures. Okay, okay, thumb. Oh, no, no, pinky. Oh my gosh. Okay, fine. I'm gonna just lose the pinky because I feel like the thumb has an important gig, like it's an important part. So I'm gonna lose the pinky. Nina, girl, I don't like this. I don't like that question. I really don't. Would you rather always have long nails or short nails? Long nails. Long nails are definitely like a medium length. Not that I have anything against shorts, you guys, because look at what this watch me work is about. But I do love me a long nail. Okay. Would you rather have black nails or white nails? Girl, black like my soul. Okay? Black like my soul. Like my wardrobe. Like my favorite color. Yes, black for sure. It's actually a fun fact for me. I don't know if you guys know this, but I probably have said this, but black polish, gel polish from any brand, I always buy it because to me it sets the standard. Like if you can create a good black, there is hope for your entire line. Not that I am, the gatekeeper of which gel polish brand is it and what isn't, but that is how I set it. And it's not even just with gel polish, it's also with black acrylic and black polygel, like that pigmentation. If you can make a good black anything, for me, I am good to go. So black nails all day. But white toes is weird, right? White toes, black nails, I don't know. Would you rather always have stiletto or never? I love stiletto. I'm an almond stiletto girl, actually. My least favorite shape is actually coffin. To be honest, I can only really stand a coffin when it's long. So I can take stilettos in any length, to be honest. So I will say stilettos. I would never not want a stiletto, okay? Unless I'm going for another look. Would you rather use a broken brush or a foundation brush to apply product? Girl, a broken brush. Wait, no, hold on. Well, you know what? A broken brush, because I be doing that. A broken brush for sure. Now, guys, as you can see, I'm getting into the filing process. This is my 5-in-1 coarse ceramic bit from Pana. Going around the cuticles, making it flush, and then going down the barrel of the nail. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using that broken brush, girl. It might not even be broken. I might stick it on with some resin. Let's just be real. We are crafty. Us nail techs, nail enthusiasts, all that. We are crafty as hell. So that brush is not gonna be broken for long. Would you rather only practice on fake hand or real hands? Real hands, because the fake hands don't account for people's mannerisms. Like, not really mannerisms, but the fake hands don't account for the texture or the fidgeter, or that like real life experiences add to I don't know, like your what could potentially be your real life success in a field. I feel like like be out there with real people, figuring them out. Also, I love energies. I love people's energies, so it definitely does contribute to the success of the look for me. Yeah, so I'd rather real people. But also I can have a tendency to not like people, so maybe it's good that I have that practice hand too. So, oh shoot, Nina is causing me to bare my soul. All right. Would you rather only use nail tips or paper forms? I wish I knew how to use paper forms. I've maybe done 1 or 2 videos, but tips for sure. So I have bust out that hand file, true to who I am, and now I'm going all over the nail and making sure it's good. And now I'm going to answer the last question. Would you rather only use press-ons or full cover tips? I love the possibilities of tips, to be honest. So I'm going to go with those tips, you guys. And those are all the questions for the Would You Rather, just in time for the video to end, you guys. I hope you enjoyed hearing my feedback. Nina, I hope I am not too late with this video. But I have already cleansed the nail of all the dust, and now I'm going in with Gershion's top coat, and I will be applying this and then giving it a full 60-second cure and applying cuticle oil, you guys. Here is a video and picture of the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Look forward to the product list below. Follow me on social media, you guys. I love you guys. I promise to see you in the next one.